When you think of the few classic cocktails that bartenders even know how to make anymore, none has a more storied past than the Bloody Mary. The Bloody Mary is an unlikely success story when you think about it, because it's a savory, spicy drink most commonly only ever consumed at brunch. It may or may not have magical, medicinal, hangover-curing properties, but its popularity cannot be denied. But how did a brunch cocktail get such a glory name, though? Who is this Mary, and why is she so bloody? To get all the answers, watch the video till the end. There are some interesting stories we found out about Bloody Mary cocktail. Let's go to the video. Some stories say Petiot served it to someone at the bar who suggested the name because it reminded him of the Bucket of Blood Club in Chicago, which reminded him of someone he knew there named Mary. She was a woman who sat alone at the bar every night waiting for some man to hook. Mary always asking bartender to make her drink, which is vodka with tomato juice and some salt, pepper and spices. Thus the name of the cocktail Bloody Mary comes to the world. Let's see another interesting story, which is still popular with the bar staffs. In the beginning of 19th century, as per a bartender in London, he had a regular guest called Mr. John who used to come to his bar every single day. Mr. John keeps saying to his barman, "Every day I am having an argument with his wife Mary for drinking alcohol. So she keep on getting doubt on me and keep smelling me every day." So he requests the barman to make a drink, which she shouldn't get any doubt or smell. The clever barman made his usual vodka mixed with tomato juice, pepper, salt, Worcestershire sauce and lemon juice. Next day Mr. John came to the bar and he thanked the barman and he said, last night his wife couldn't identify the smell of the drink. Mr. John requests the barman to make the same drink, Bloody Mary. The drink looks bloody color and prepared for Mr. John's wife Mary, thus it is called as Bloody Mary. Another story says, the drink was popularized by Americans, so in 1933, Vincent Astor brought over Petiot to man the King Cole bar at the St. Regis Hotel in New York. The drink caught on, particularly as a supposed cure for hangovers but under the less sanguine name, Red Snapper, which is what it's still called at the just restored King Cole bar. Here is the current official recipe from the King Cole bar, which sells about 850 Red Snappers each month. Just when other bars around town began calling it the Bloody Mary, with reference to Mary Tudor, Mary I of England and Ireland. Mary is remembered for the hundreds of Protestants she murdered in the name of Catholicism. This is how she got her nickname, Bloody Mary. She died on November 17, 1558. It also believed that the Bloody Mary drink is named for her. Meanwhile, American actor George Jessel also claimed to have invented the Bloody Mary in Palm Beach in 1927. He was in desperate need of a quick fix for a hangover when a bartender suggested vodka. Jessel claims he mixed it with tomato juice, lemon, and Worcestershire to kill the smell and called it a Bloody Mary after socialite Mary Brown Warburton went to take a sip and spilled it all over her white dress. According to Jessel's autobiography, she laughed and said, "Now you can call me Bloody Mary George." I believe these information from the stories are helpful for you at work to share with your guest. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe my channel Hospitality Doodle and click the notification bell to get all my video updates.